Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I mounted a TV on the exterior of my house going straight into the brick. Here's the outdoor full motion TV wall mount that I'll be using in this video. I'll provide a link to this product and to all the tools in the description below. The first thing I did was take the wall mount out of the box and lined it up where I wanted it on my exterior wall. I used a level to make sure that it was straight up and down, or we call it plumb, and then found a spot on the wall where 3 of the available holes that I'd be screwing into each align with the face of a brick. I did a little research on this before I decided to hang my TV outside and found that drilling directly into the brick is much more stable for a heavy object like a TV rather than going into the mortar. There are a couple different anchoring systems you can use when going into exterior brick like this. The one that I'm going to use are these Tapcon concrete screw anchors, and this box actually comes with the drill bit that you need to use, and I'll provide a link to this in the description below the video as well. Using the drill bit that came with the Tapcons and my hammer drill, I was able to drill directly into the face of these bricks on my 3 marks that I made earlier. Okay, so these blue Tapcons have a hex head on them, so you'll need a hex head attachment like this one that you can hook up and connect straight to the Tapcon. I'll put this hex head connector into my ratchet gun, and then these blue Tapcons will screw directly into that hole that I just drilled in the brick. Always double check on your TV mount that you're hanging it the correct way. Follow these easy to use arrows. And then I'm just going to line up my TV mount with the 3 holes I drilled out. And the reason why I love these Tapcons is I don't need to put any type of anchor into that hole. I simply screw the Tapcon directly into the brick, and it is as solid as can be. I'm going to go ahead and follow that same process for my other 2 holes. And I'll have a grand total of 3 of these Tapcons in the brick, and this TV mount is not going anywhere. Make sure that you follow the directions in the guide when they give you all of these different screw options and spacer options when attaching the 2 pieces on the back of your TV. You can see that I've done that here. And now it's time to hang this bad boy onto the TV mount. But before I do that, I want to add this nice little feature that comes with this TV mount that I selected. And it's a little cord organizer or grabber, I'm not sure what it's called. You just screw it into this first arm here. And then once you plug your TV in, the power cord can get pushed up into this and prevents it from sagging below the TV and being seen below the screen. It's a really nice added feature to this TV mount. Once you hang this TV onto the back, just make sure these clips go over top of the mounting bracket. And then you have 2 screws, 1 on each side, that can be easily adjusted. Hand tighten these. Don't use your ratchet gun or power drill with these. Just use a nice Phillips head to tighten those up. And your TV will hang nicely from the wall, safe and secure. Here's that power cord tucked into that added feature I was talking about earlier that helps organize it and keep the cord from sagging below the screen. I tell you what, I cannot wait to watch this TV all summer long and spend lots of nice days and nights out on my deck watching this thing. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.